welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm unboxing the Trendmood NABLA Takeover box. If that sounds interesting, you want to see what's inside, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen, and I am so very glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar with the Trendmood box, let me give you just a little background. Trendmood box is not a traditional subscription box, okay? Each box is treated as a separate launch. There isn't any specific timing. One month might have 2 boxes, another month might have none. So far, they seem to have 2 basic kinds of boxes that I've seen. They have the regular boxes, which include products from a mix of brands. So they'll be just, you know, the Trendmood box, Volume 1, Volume 2, I believe they're up to Volume 8. They also do these takeover boxes where the whole box is a specific brand, like this one. Past regular boxes, those Volume 1, Volume 2 boxes, have included items from Marc Jacobs, Dominique Cosmetics, Anastasia Beverly Hills, so lots of names that you know well. Past takeovers have included Tatcha, e.l.f.'s new skincare line, and Glow Skin Beauty. And the price of each box varies depending on what items are in it. So if it is higher end products, you're going to get probably a higher priced box, but again, the discount is still pretty good. But for some of the products that may be a lower end, so it's all in proportion to what's in the box, so that's pretty cool. The items are announced ahead of the launch, so you know what you're getting, you know, whether it's worth it for you. This is not a mystery box, okay? They have announced that they will have mystery boxes coming up for the holidays, but the regular Trendmood boxes are not mystery boxes. If you follow them on Instagram or on YouTube, they actually show you the products. They do little teases and sneak peeks ahead of time on their Instagram, and they actually do an unboxing the night before it launches so that you can see all of the products that are going into a box. These boxes tend to sell out usually in minutes, not always. Especially the regular ones, the Volume 1, Volume 2 boxes that have a bunch of different brands in them, literally they can sell out in minutes. It's like, it's amazing. Sometimes the brand ones may last a little bit longer because if it's not a brand you're particularly interested in, you know, there's not maybe as much audience for it. But if it's something you're interested in, you're going to want to get on it right away, because once the boxes are gone, they're gone. There is no restock on these things. So if you sign up to be notified when boxes are available, you actually get an email 30 minutes before the general launch with a code to purchase early. So for example, if they're going to go live at 1 p.m. Eastern time, then you would get a code, and you would be able to get in with that code to purchase early at 12:30. There are a limited number of boxes, as I said, so you want to get in, and these are strictly 1 box per person. You cannot order more than 1. So it's not like sometimes you'll go into a launch of a product that you really want and you find people have bought 3, 4, and 5, and there are a lot of people who didn't get it. In this case, 1 box per person. So this particular Trendmood box is a takeover by NABLA Cosmetics. It was $44. I decided to pick it up, and let's open it up and see what's inside. So here is the inside of the box. You can see that it is NABLA, and it's very nice with the tissue paper. We get a little sticker there. I'm no fool. I'm going for the big one first. Okay, and this is the side-by-side nude eyeshadow palette. They say that these are 16 brand new shades. Were developed to create an extended range of neutral looks to easily define eyes with a game of reflections, light, and shades. Gorgeous, gorgeous packaging. I love it. It's textured, and it really just, these little things really do make a difference, in my opinion. Not everybody feels that way. And you know, I love my high-end, I love my mid-range, I love my luxury, and I love my drugstores. So if it's good quality, it's good quality. Here is the inside packaging. Again, really nice. And fingers crossed. Oh, it's in perfect shape. I'm going to take off the plastic. There is a great big mirror here. But here are the shades. And I think they're really, really pretty. Now, in terms of the pricing on this, I've seen references to this being available at Ulta and elsewhere, that it's $45. But as of the day that I'm filming this, it was not available on their site. For whatever reason. I don't know if it's out of stock or whatever. It was not on Ulta's website. The only place that I was able to find this available for purchase today was from NABLA's own website, where it sells for €39.90, which is about $47 if you use the current exchange rates. Be aware that ordering from there, your shipping is an additional €9.90 or nearly $12 for orders under €100. So that's the only place that this was currently available. Again, I have seen references to the fact that it was going to be available at Ulta, and actually pictures of it in headers on Ulta's website, but it was not available. So at the currently the only place to get it would be directly from NABLA. Okay, the next item is the Ruby Lights Glitter Palette, and this is a quad full of endless magnetic and chameleonic reflex. Light breaks up and turns into hot and precious red, like a treasure chest full of rubies that shine in the dark. And how spectacular is that? Absolutely gorgeous. I don't use glitters this heavy, but man, this makes me wish I did. It's just stunning. Oh, wow, that's really tempting. This retails for $25, and I was able to find that available at Ulta if you have any interest. The next item is the Major Pleasure Mascara. Here's the box on that. I didn't even know NABLA did mascara. So boost your lashes with instant volume, extreme length, and extraordinary panoramic effect. Oh, I like that packaging. It's very pretty. And it goes well with my nails. Retail on this is $19, and again, available at Ulta. And our last item, and you know how we feel about brushes on this channel. This is the Ruby brush set. And I am going to take it out of the bag just so you can see, but this is an 8-piece eye brush set. It's a selection of 8 brushes designed as a complete range for makeup application on eyes, under eyes, and eyebrows. And oh my lord, look at that bag! Can you see the sparkle? I don't know if it's coming across well on camera. Oh, the bag is just gorgeous. I swear it's part raccoon in another life. I like things that are sparkly. Again, this is something I was only able to find on the NABLA website, where it sells for €38.90, which is about $46. Don't forget that price doesn't include shipping if your order's under €100. And your credit card company might also charge currency change fees, so that's something to keep in mind. But here is the set. I'm going to leave them in the plastic for now, because I always like to do that until I'm 100% sure I'm going to keep them. But oh, aren't they pretty? Do I need them? No. Do I want them? They're pretty. We'll see, but they are very, very pretty. And just this, the see-through ruby handles there, and oh, that bag. The bag is just gorgeous. Oh, and the inside of the bag is this gold, satiny, shiny fabric as well. So it just feels luxurious, and you know, we have the ruby eye set and the ruby lights glitter. So I might have to put those together in a giveaway. I don't know. That's why I didn't open the brushes. But anyway, again, I was not able to find those available in the US. Doesn't mean that they won't be, but for right now, the only place I was able to find them was the NABLA website. So again, I paid $44 for this box, and the total retail value at the current exchange rates would be about $137. I thought we got some great stuff. Let me know what you think. If you tried things by NABLA, I know we've seen every once in a while things will come up in boxes, but I don't have a whole lot of experience. I did pick up one NABLA palette, something about dreams, and I can't think of the name of it right now, because it was recommended by someone that I follow, and I haven't tried it yet because I'm a little behind. I'm a little backed up on trying new stuff. So leave any comments down in the comments section and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please subscribe down below if you haven't already. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.